The PIP8000 is a digital supervisor device for conventional analog power supplies. It offers you the opportunity to build a digital power management solution with an analog control system. It includes a PMBus interface and supports over 100 PMBus commands. The device configures all management parameters, monitors and reports data and status to the host utilizing the PMBus command set. The PIP8000 is an 8-bit based microcontroller with a 7-channel 10-bit configurable ADC for system monitoring. It has an extra PWM output for high-resolution adjustment of the analog controller and hence the power supply output voltage. It includes a PMBus I2C interface with additional control and alert lines and also an internal NVRAM interface for storing the configuration settings and auto-programming on power up. The management parameters are input-output voltages and currents, temperatures, fan speed, warnings and faults monitoring. Set output voltage for most analog controllers in the current market. Sequencing start-up and shutdown. Save configuration settings and apply globally to production quantities. Applications of the PIP8000 are numerous, like low voltage, high current density applications as in point of load, network applications, server and server accessories, and telecommunication systems. To keep today's development cycles as short as possible, NXP helps you to simplify your design. Combining the Advanced Graphical User Interface, or GUI, with the PIP8000 ensures that the configuration, monitoring and control of analog power supplies for point-of-load likely applications during design and production is less complicated. The GUI offers the freedom to configure your power system utilizing the PMBus command language as well as real-time feedback facilities and diagnostics. The tool is freely available. All you need to do is to connect the PIP8000 demo board or your own application board to your computer. Once you have logged in, the main dashboard menu is loaded. In order to have online communication between master and slave, it is necessary to have a system configuration of the PIP8000 supervisor. For system configuration, the following functions are implemented. The auto-find function detects the I2C address of the PIP8000 connected, or more I2C addresses if different PIP8000s are connected in parallel. Pinging the PIP8000 to confirm communication between host and slave by clicking Test. Proper loading of system defaults from NVRAM of the PIP8000 by clicking Reset. Enable Disable function for the Packet Error Correction PEC in order to check that transmission between host and slave is correct. Selection options of linear or direct mode as well as calibration of the hardware are available under the Coefficients tab. A procedure for calibrating coefficients is given in the user manual. By default, the GUI will start up with the dashboard menu. Here, configuration of different settings can be made, such as over voltage, under voltage, over current, over temperature, warn and fault limits. Vout set point either direct or with slider. Fan configuration of fan 1. Clear faults button to refresh the dashboard parameters if errors have occurred due to warn or fault limit conditions. Configuration of fault response settings for programming a defined system turn-off. In the on-off configuration menu, you can configure on-off behavior and operation commands, the T-on and T-off settings, V-in and V-off settings, and V-out margining. A nice feature of this tool is that it allows to make scripts for testing, debugging, and evaluation of your design. The script can be stored for later reuse. By opening the Script tab, you will find in the left column the PMBus commands as implemented in the PIP8000. A script can be easily made by drag and drop of the PMBus commands in Script field. When running a script, it is possible to play all at once or to do a step-by-step execution. After having run a script, you can switch to login mode and see what exactly has occurred during the run. The script can be constantly monitored, and the monitored voltage, current, temperature or fan speed can be displayed in the custom graphs. The NVRAM store and restore can be used for storing your personal settings and restore of default system settings.